In this video, I'll show you why Perplexity is quickly becoming a superior alternative to Google for your search needs. I start by reviewing this article that claims Google is losing its spot as the top search engine after a 26-year run. I'm looking through the history of search tools from the 70s and 90s, noting how Google once toppled everyone else, but is now struggling to maintain its mojo. As I scroll down, I see how Google's market share is slowly slipping due to rivals like Amazon and TikTok, with its ad-based model leading to what experts call enshittification. This means the search results I used to rely on are now overflowing with ads and often provide incorrect or low-quality answers just to make more money. I'm moving further down to see how AI is changing everything, specifically looking at a quote from Gmail's creator about Google being close to total disruption. This brings me to Perplexity AI, which the author describes as a killer app for information retrieval. Perplexity provides direct, synthesized answers to my questions while citing every single source, so I can verify the information instantly. It uses natural language to help me refine my queries, allowing for a much more focused and efficient search experience than a traditional list of links. As I reach the end of the article, it's clear that while Google once defined the internet, the future of search is focused on these more intelligent direct response tools. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.